Okay, so I had to clean the phone. Okay, 5 tries. Okay, okay, that's 4. I think I. Oh no, that went. Okay, gotta give this a shave. Okay. Oh, that went a little. Okay, I gotta try this again. Bro, really? Bro, this is okay. Okay, so I gotta lock in. Okay, what if I go to the quarters? Okay. Okay. Bruh. Alright. Well, how is this possible? Oh, hell no, I'm a dead man. Alright, let's try again. Bro. Gotta go. Oh. Okay, let's go through the corners. Okay. Okay. Oh, let's go.